Today I'm showing you guys how to make these incredible blood orange Cosmos. I love a Cosmopolitan. It's one of my favorite cocktails, and I love to make a fun Halloween twist by making it with blood orange instead of cranberry juice. So you still get the color, but the flavor is so good. You got that orange, and it is perfect for Halloween because blood orange, we love it. The full written recipe is in the description, so don't you worry, you guys are gonna love this recipe.
We're gonna start with the star of the show, which is fresh blood orange juice. You want 2 ounces, so however many blood oranges you need for that. And we're gonna use the juice of half a lime, which should give us about a half an ounce of lime juice. 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce triple sec, shake with ice for about 20 seconds, pour into a martini glass, garnish with blood orange slice, and there you have it.
I've been making these for quite some time, and I really just can't go back to anything else. I love this cocktail so much. My friends love it, and it is really easy to scale up and make a bunch. If you want to have a party, it's a great party drink for Halloween. Once again, the full recipe is in the description, so go check that out along with the links to my other social media. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and of course, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.